Well, it always happens at the worst time. Somehow you manage to get rid of the ribbon or the menus in your Excel or Word or PowerPoint, Outlook. A quick tour for you. Down at the end of the ribbon, whichever program you're in, you usually have your little drop down there and you can get into a show tabs mode, which collapses the ribbon. You can still get in and use the ribbon, but you'll notice that it's overlapping your formula bar there. So it's when I click away from it, it actually goes away again. It stays collapsed. So you can get into that and use that same little button and come to always show ribbon. Now, the other problem that people get into is they accidentally get into the full screen mode. When you do that, it appears to get rid of all the tools. Your ribbon is still there. Look at the top, there's a dot, 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 and if you click on it, it will temporarily bring the whole menu bar and ribbon into view. And if you're quick, you can get down back in there and say, always show the ribbon, and that will bring it back. One thing that I have figured out with the ribbon, and this works in all the versions for a long time, you can double click. I usually do it on the home tab. Double click home will collapse it. Double click home will bring it back. So that way works across versions, and I like it. It's just simpler. Another thing about the ribbon you may not know is that if you have a mouse with a roller on it, you can roll down your ribbon and up your ribbon. It scrolls. Kind of nice. Okay. So the other thing you might be able to do is hide your quick access up there, and that is the little mini toolbar. If you accidentally got rid of that, then you can show the quick access and bring it back with that same menu. If you want to customize quick access, which I often do, I use that drop down menu. The things with the check mark are already showing up. If you want to add something, like here I'll add spelling, it immediately adds up there. If you find a tool on your ribbon that you use a lot, you can right click on any button and add it to your quick access toolbar. If you want to get under the hood and really customize those, go into more commands. And this list on the right is the same as the horizontal list that's up there at the top. And you can come in and you can move things around, use these up and down arrows at the side. You can reset it if you need to. And of course, you could go shopping. This has so many commands in it. You can go through and find something you like and then add it to this ribbon or remove from the ribbon, whatever you need. The last thing I'll say with that is that you can show the quick access toolbar below the ribbon if you want to. It makes the buttons a little bigger. Some people like it. I prefer mine above the ribbon. Hope that helps. Have a great day.